can't see. I'm blinded by the light. Hey guys, before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe down below and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you want to see how I created this little eye look today, then keep on watching. I'm going to be doing for you guys like a bright, vibrant eyeshadow look. That's my favorite kind of looks to do. Every time I go out with color in my eyes, people are like, oh my god, it looks so good. Like I could never do something like that. And I'm like, yes, you could. So I just ordered off Black Swallow, which I don't think I've ever ordered off here before. The foam thingies, I love these things, but they remind me of Toy Story. So this is what I got, and I'm so excited to try it. It's just the P. Louise base. I had no clue what shade to get, so I got the white one. They do come in like pinks, blues, greens, all that. I wanted to get them all. I'm just gonna take the Vitamin E moisturizer by the Body Shop. I have been loving using just like a flat angled brush lately. Put on my moisturizer because it is so relaxing. I'm really hot, so I'm just gonna spritz my face with some Mario Badescu facial spray, the aloe vera one. It's so good. It just cools me down, you know? I'm actually shaking as I'm putting this on. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna have a full white eye. I'm gonna put this on the whole lid and just see, because you know what, you can't go wrong in makeup because it's just about having fun. You only need a little bit, it goes a long way. So I'm just gonna do the other eye with it too. From what I've heard and seen, you don't need to set it like you normally would with like, I don't know if anyone's used like MAC soft ochre paint pot and stuff before. So far, it's really good coverage of like my veins. Okay, it looks so funny. Like I've just got this eye mask on. For my vibrant eye, I'm gonna be taking my BPerfect, the Carnival palette by Stacey Marie. Look at all the colors. I can't. I love them so much. Take the shade Chant, and I'm gonna tap that one out. So I thought that was going to be a lighter crease color. Just don't be afraid, like with the colors, they're never going to look great straight away. Okay, I'm just taking the same highlighter in the palette and I'm just going underneath. I just want something lighter, not golden. I'm going to try the Pink Me in the palette. Yeah, that's it. That's what we want. And I'm just going underneath the brow. I look like a crazy person. I always do my shadow to like fully in the front of my brows. I'm gonna be taking the shade Wasted, which is that little purple color. So I'm going to go in it. And like, what do I have to lose? And that's what you've got to remind yourself when you're doing makeup. If it doesn't work out, we just wipe it off. We start over again. We just wipe it off. I know I've just been saying you can't go wrong, but we might have gone wrong here. This base is banging and it's just made it really vibrant. I'm gonna come out a bit more here. And the corner of my eye on the lid, I'm gonna be taking Liquor. I'm just gonna be popping that in. So she's going for it. I really feel like pepperoni pizza. I'm gonna make it with that purple fluffy blending brush. Oh, can we just take a moment? How did I do this? My Jeffree Star, or like with the blonde hair now, anyone would think. I'm gonna be taking that flat angled brush we applied it with. Just going in the front there. We're gonna cut it. We're gonna cut it. A thinner brush would be great right now, but we can still work it with this. Oh, it's like moon. It's like midnight, you know? It's just a nighttime vibe. We're taking what I used below my brows, that Pink Me shade. Prep and prime. Wet the brush. Very pleasantly surprised with this P. Louise base, and I'm just going to clean up the outer parts of my eye. Actually go get this because this smells and is so much better than micellar water. Like, take it on a Q-tip Garnier micellar water, it just doesn't do it for me, you know. Okay. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, I'm here for it. And now we must do the other eye. Yeah. And I'm just going back down. I've decided I'm not going to risk it. I'm not doing the eyeliner just because like something in my gut just tells me like don't do the eyeliner with, you know what I mean? I'm just going to be taking these lashes. They're not the best lashes ever. Oh, yes, I've worn them one at a time. Okay, I'm reusing them. Just the Ardell Faux Mink lashes in 811 using my Duo lash glue. I don't know if anyone puts their lashes on before their foundation, but it's great because it's like after I've done this, after I've put these lashes on, the rest of my face only takes like 10 minutes because I've just got to do like my base, my contour, like my cheeks and my brows. My brows take like 2 seconds, and obviously like with your lips, but your eyes are always just the most tedious, longest part. I'm just gonna get this to dry, and I just go in like that, and I do use tweezers, but I do like to get in there as well. When I don't have acrylics on, I'm all up in there with my nails, and it's not on properly yet, but I'm just letting the glue set on my eye a bit. Don't worry about like, obviously the glue's white, so it does get on you a little bit, but it dries like clear. Just press them together with my actual lashes. So if you do have eyeliner on, it's like easy to put lashes on. Like lashes just blend like that when you've got a wing on, or even if you just do like the top of your lash line, they're gonna blend so easy. But are you gonna see all the eyeshadow? You've just got to do your pros and your cons. Okay, hey, I'm gonna go do the rest of my makeup off camera, and I will come back when we've got to do underneath the eyes to show you guys how to do underneath the eyes, because it is just as crucial as doing the top. It just brings the look together. I've literally done everything. I've just left my eyes lucky last so you guys can see how I'm going to finish them off. So I'm going in with this eye blender brush we used before. Maybe taking Wasted, which is what I used in some of my crease, like my outer crease, just along the lower lash line. Oh my god, I'm a trooper. I just got that in my eyeball. I'm just going and I'm like connecting it up. Inner corner, I'm going to be taking the same Pink Me shade I used already in there, and I'm just going to be putting that in the inner corner. This eye is now completed. I've just got to add on mascara, and you can also add on, which I'm going to, just to like darken it up a bit, pencil eyeliner on your lower lid. Okay, now we have completed both of the eyes. They are now twins, or at least sisters. Now I'm just going to be adding some mascara, obviously, to the falsies I put on before my makeup and my lower lashes. I got this mascara the other day. Usually I wouldn't really worry about telling you guys about it, but like, this is the best mascara I've ever used. It's the Monsieur Big, I feel like I've definitely just said that wrong, by Lancome, you know what I'm talking about. I got it in Sephora. Favorite, new favorite. Oh my goodness, it like makes my lashes touch the sky. I love it. Okay, so this is the completed eyeshadow look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me create this look, because I actually loved doing this and I think it looks really nice. I really like it. So don't forget to subscribe down below and like this video if you enjoyed it. Also leave in the comments like more video ideas you want to see, because I'm open and willing to do absolutely anything. I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.